How's it going, everybody? TCG Burton here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be opening up 3 different blister packs. We're going to be opening up Articuno, Zapdos and Moltres. Last time we opened up Entei, Raikou and Suicune. I think that's how you say the last one. But anyway, let's get straight into these blisters and let me know which one you think wins. So let's go! So here we are. We're starting off with Articuno. One of my favourites out of the 3. It would probably go Articuno, Zapdos, and then Moltres. Never been a fan of the fire type. But anyway, let's get it open. We've got 3 different packs. And obviously the lovely pin. Let's just show you the pin. Let's get this focused. Look at that. Beautiful. And the 3 packs which we have are... Let's just remove the rubbish. We have Primal Clash. Let's focus up, sorry. Primal Clash, Steam Siege, and Breakthrough. So we'll start off with Primal Clash. Good luck, Articuno. I believe the pack is 3 and 2. Not too sure. So we'll try that out and see if that works. 3 and 2. Oh, it's a bit damaged, the front card. But anyway, it's only a Chinchou. I think that's how you say it. Let's focus that again. Here we go. Chinchou. Mudkip. Spinder. Nosepass. Volbeat. A Linoon. A Vibrava. Ooh. Shine of Memories. A Reverse Marill, and our rare is a Starmie, normal rare. Not too bad, not too bad. Did like Starmie in the first series with Misty's Pokemon. Anyway, pack number 2, XY Steam Siege. I believe this is 3 and 2 again. So on Twitter, if you've recently seen my posts, you would have seen that I'm starting a new series on YouTube. It is called Burton's Pokemon Bingo. If you would like to be a part of the series, then just send me a DM or comment down below and we will get chatting, and hopefully we'll have many great videos to come. So let's go with Dino, Tangela, Krogunk, Oshawott, Marill, Anorith, a Claw Fossil Anorith, Nuzleaf, a Reverse Hooper, that's pretty good, very good card, and our rare is a Galvantula. Yay! Woo! Not so good from Articuno so far, but we got XY Breakthrough. Hopefully, last pack magic for Articuno can give us something good. So we'll put that to one side. The code 3 and 2. Good luck, Articuno, your last pack. Here we go. Chespin. Inkay. Pikachu! Magnemite. Cubone. Yes! Love Cubone. We've got to put him at the back. He is a legend. Stunfisk. Ursaring. Magneton with the Magnemite. Spritzy, and our rare is a Cresselia. Normal rare as well. So not much from Articuno apart from the lovely Cubone in the back. Next up we have Zapdos, so I'll see you lot in just a second. So here we go, Zapdos, your turn, buddy. Show us what you can get us. Come on. Give me something good. If this pack will open, that will be fab. There we are, all out, nice and safely. We'll put that rubbish down there as well. So again, we have a Primal Clash, Steam Siege, and a Breakthrough. So we'll start the other way around this time, and show you the lovely Zapdos pin as well. Beautiful. So Breakthrough. Mewtwo on the pack. Can we get a Mewtwo in the pack? That is the ultimate question. So, code 3 and 2. Come on. Zapdos, Skiddo, Bronzor, Meowth looking awful tired. Zora, RaPz, Ursaring, a Sandslash, Heavy Boots, awful heavy, a Haxorus, which looks pretty awesome. Don't think I've seen that Pokemon before. And our rare is a Parasect. Woo! Come on, packs, give us something good. Everybody wants to see a rare card. Come on. I bet they're all in Moltres. I bet they're all the good ones are in Moltres. Pack number 2. This is Steam Siege. Here we go. Mantine, Sneasel, Hoppip, Fletchling. Have I done this wrong? A Bisharp Hollow. Yeah, I think I've done this wrong. Whoops. Gardevoir Spirit Link, Driftblim, Sualius, Concha, and a Reverse Tangler. My bad, but we did get a holo, so well done, Zapdos. I thought I'd done that Patrick right then. Oh well. Primal Clash, final pack for Zapdos. If this pack will open nicely, that would be fan-dabby-dozy. And it's 3 and 2, so hopefully this is correct. Illumise, Bunnelby, Clamperl, Staryu, a Spheal, Rough Seas. That is very, very true. This is happening right outside my house right now on the west coast of Scotland. The weather from the recent hurricane. It's not really a bad hurricane, not like the ones in America, but still really bad wind and seas and I don't want to go outside. Anyway, Combuskin, Gardevoir Spirit Link, a Trico Reverse, and our rare is a Wishcash. And I'm not too sure about, like, obviously this is a totally different style of card. I'm guessing it's like a good rare, but I don't know. It's the first one I've got of these, so quite happy with that. Put that in the back. Must have been like the evolution stage kind of thing in the old packs. But anyway, up next we have Moltres ending the episode, so we will get started right now. No more waiting around, let's just go. Come on, Moltres. Get this pack open, please. I can't get into it. Here we go. So, pack 1. Let's just get them all out of the way. Come on. Right, the pin is the lovely Moltres. Focus up, please. Come on, camera. You can see it. Don't tell me you can't see that Moltres. It's not having it. Anyway, I promise you now, I am holding a Moltres pin. Hopefully you believe me. We have Breakthrough, Steam Siege, and again, Primal Clash. So, Primal Clash, come on. Focus up please, camera. Now you do it, now you do it. Because you know there's a pack there. Primal Clash, come on. Moltres definitely has all the pulls. Definitely. Come on. So, Mudkip, Spinder, Volbeat, Nosepass, Drillbur, Wishcash, Kakuna, Magcargo, Masquerain, and a Mega Aggron EX. One of the cards I've not actually pulled before. Let's get focused up again. Look at that artwork. That is amazing. I love all this like text along here, and the colour of it is just amazing as well. Very nice. Well done, Moltres. You're definitely winning so far. No doubt about that. Can you go 2 for 2 with XY Steam Siege? Let's see. So the code 3 and 2. We have Shellos, Amaril, Drifloon, Seedot, Fletchling, Zulius, I think that's how you say it again, Shieldon, Steelix Spirit Link, Sneasel Reverse, and our rare is a Hoopa, normal rare. Once again, not a bad Pokemon, but finally our last pattern magic. Come on, Breakthrough. Come on, Moltres. Let's end this with a bang. And the code is that way. 3, 2, come on. We have Snova, Swablu, Woobat, Ghastly, Doduo, never liked that Pokemon, never liked it, Zubat, Gogoat, Talmap, Elgyem, and our rare is a Hawlucha. So, let's recap this and I'll see you a lot in just a second. So everybody, we got a Cubone. Woo! Everybody cheer! The best Pokemon ever. We also got a Whiscash in a different kind of artwork, which is quite cool. Never seen that before. We got a Bisharp Holo, not too shabby, and Moltres topped it off with a Mega Aggron EX. So thank you very much for watching, everybody. Leave a comment down below what kind of video you want to see next, what kind of box you want me to open, or whatever you want to see. So I'll see you a lot next time. Peace.